Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Whispering Torii cosmetic on Grow a Garden. So to redeem the code, go to toggle settings here. If you're up here, scroll down and select redeem codes. And the code is Torigate, like this. Select claim, and as you can see, you'll have this item. I don't remember where it is. Hold on. I haven't played this game. Oh, here. And then if you go to cosmetics, you'll see that there is this. And that is it. And remember, to redeem the code, just go to toggle settings, scroll down and enter Torigate, and your accessory will be in all cosmetics. Sorry, your cosmetics will be there. And that's how you can get this cool cosmetic on Grow a Garden. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!